Hi guys, how are y'all? Today we are starting in the car. Ooh, that's dark. Okay, I think this is as good as this setup is going to get. I just look kind of bad right now. But we're in the car. I am a little salty. This was supposed to be a clean with me video, but now I guess it's turning into a vlog because, so basically, I wanted to go and clean my room today. I just saw Endgame last night. I went at 8 o'clock and you know, it's like a 3-hour movie. I didn't go home till like 11:30. I didn't go to bed till almost like till 1:30 or almost 2. So I'm exhausted because my brother came to my room at like 6:30 this morning saying I have to take him to school. I literally did not get up till like 7. And thankfully he bought me coffee though, so there was that. And I came home and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna clean my room, do a video because it's like a gigantic mess. But yeah, now my mom's job, this is why I'm annoyed, because now I'm turning into everyone's freaking taxi this morning. So my mom works as a lunch aide in elementary school, and she took the oven mitts home to freaking wash them and forgot to bring them back, and she like has some really bad allergies or whatever, and now I have to go and take them. Then when I come back I have to leave again to go. I literally haven't even had time to change out of my pajamas to come back and then take her to the doctor's. I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I'm just not in the mood for this. Like, and then Endgame, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna say any spoilers, but like my heart, wow, it's really an end of an era. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, sorry for such like a negative note in the morning. Anyway, I'm gonna go so I can listen to some music and get in a better mood because right now I'm annoying myself. Okay, so I'm home now. I'm literally still in my pajamas. I think I said this earlier. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and eat. I probably won't talk while I eat or like get my food or anything because my mom is home and I feel like it'll be a little awkward. I think once I eat I'll start to feel a lot better. Is this any better? I don't know. But I'll probably start to feel a lot better because right now I'm just like not in a good mood. I'm just like really annoyed and stuff, and when I get really annoyed I get really sad and I cry and stuff. So we're gonna go eat and see if that helps me get some control over my emotions because I'm a mess right now. And I look like a mess right now, but it's fine. Honestly though, I really like these pajamas, and I almost went to the movies to see Endgame in them, like no joke. If my friends would have worn their PJs, I would have worn mine because I was like, your girl wants to go comfy. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside. Probably gonna eat a bagel, to be honest. It's kind of my go-to breakfast, not gonna lie. But yeah. Hey guys, so I just ate my bagel and stuff. I took my dog outside, and honestly I'm really tired, so I don't know how much of a clean with me video this is gonna be, but I should really try and clean up because my room's such a mess. But yeah, I'm really tired. I'm gonna wash my dishes that I use and then go and try. Okay, so we have finally made it in my room. It's literally so bad. My dog's scratching at the door, but she's gonna stay out because to keep the other dog company. But yeah, so I have to clean. There's like some stuff on the floor. It's mainly like shoes and little stuff, and then I literally have to, there's stuff everywhere, honestly. Like, I'll show you, these are the clothes that I have to put away. I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm gonna do that first because I feel like that's just gonna take the longest. So these are all the clothes that need to be put away, and then I have like shoes and everything, vanity, dresser, headboard, little stuff. I'm not gonna go too far down here because my social security card and everything is there, and I don't know how much is covered or not. Now I'm trying to have my identity stolen. But yeah, so first we're gonna tackle all these clothes. I've had really bad allergies and have not been feeling good, so everything is just kind of crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna tackle this now.
Would you take my breath if I gave all that what's left, and you could breathe again, I'd never take it back or ask to change your act so you could feel again. But as time moves on and these enemies break you down, don't give up on your hope now. I'll be there if you fall down. As time moves on and these enemies break you down, don't give up on your hope now. I'll be there if you fall down.
Okay, I'm literally about to take out the water bottles out of my room. Why do I have so many? And some of them literally is just the very bottoms that have water in it. Like just the very tip. Not tip, ends. The very ends. Like, wow. This is a collection. You guys, I'm literally have not really been doing much right now. I'm so tired. I ran out of hangers, so I just have the leftover skirts just like on my bed because I'm gonna put those away later when I find hangers. And I think now what I'm gonna do is just clean up everything that's on the floor and sweep. But first I'm gonna have a little lunch break because I'm really hungry. So we're gonna go do that. Let's turn this light off. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a coffee too. Nice little espresso. Oh my gosh, look at this little babe. Say hi. This is my new dog. Well, I've had him for a while now, since August. He's like the sweetest little baby ever. His name is Milo. Say hi, my. Oh, he's sleepy. And then little cupcake. Say hi, mama. And here's Milo, because when I give one attention, the other one always wants to come. Move. You have to move out the way there, my two babies. Okay, so I take the coffee. I try to like have a nice setup. Okay, so this is the one we actually use, the Starbucks Dark Roast Espresso, and they grind it for you there if you buy it, and you just ask them to grind it, and then we just put it in this container, and then I'm just gonna pour some in here. This is for a double shot, and then I use the side to just press it like that. Normally I make iced ones, but today I'm going to have a hot one because I don't know where the thing I put water in to form the ice is, so. And then my little espresso maker, so I just put it in there like that. On. Now we just have to wait for this to turn green. So basically, my parents got this espresso maker on sale at TJ Maxx, I think. And they got it for me because I was like going to Starbucks like way too much. So yeah. And so they got this for me so I could stop spending my money on coffee and I could just make it at home now.
What are you doing?
It's a vlog.
Can I vlog with you?
That was supposed to be like a zoomed in part. I'm back from my snack break. So I changed because my pajamas was feeling a little uncomfortable cleaning in them. So I'm just in like this huge t-shirt and some workout pants. So now we're gonna clean my vanity, which is just a giant mess, like literally such a big mess, and I'm gonna clean the floor around it. So yeah, let's go.
All my time without a single lie for you to speak again. But as time goes on
little detour. I totally forgot I had to pick my brother up from school. And he gets out at 3:15 and it is currently like 3:08 or something. And his school is 30 minutes from my house. So we're gonna go and pick him up now. So I feel so bad, I just texted him. But my dad, he's going out of town to help, like this week he's gonna be in Georgia helping my grandparents get everything together because they're moving back to Florida. And so my dad normally picks him up. Or no, I normally pick him up. I just totally forgot I had to today. Hey guys, I totally forgot to continue like filming. So basically we ordered pizza, ate dinner, watched some TV, and I finished up cleaning. I mean, like, there's still a few stuff out, but this is basically as good as it's gonna get for now. I'm actually like pretty proud of myself. Like, it was pretty fast. I'll show you guys. This is my bed area. My bed looks a bit like a mess, but I just kind of like cleaned the shelves up a bit, cleaned up. This area is nice and clear now. That's just for my light. My dresser, which that's not mine. Someone put that in my laundry, and this is my mom, so I'm gonna give this to her tomorrow. And then I just have some literature there. That stuff out, so I'll finish this up tomorrow. And then my vanity, which I just have this candle that actually goes there, but I'm just burning it. And then like my sketchbook out, so it's only a few things. This area is all clean. That's just stuff like hamper, stuff for Goodwill, my broom, my mirror, yeah, and then this here, which that's just my water that I was drinking, my Spanish Bible, and then yeah, so it's not really that much stuff that's out, but yeah, so a little overview of my room. If you want a room tour, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. It's like 10 something now, and I'm waking up at like 5 because I have to take my brother to school, and then me and my friends were going out in the morning, and so I have to pick one of them up on my way to dropping off my brother. So I have to wake up early, get ready. So good night. Thank you guys for watching this video. I actually really enjoyed filming it. I feel like it made the cleaning process like a lot more fun, and it went by like a lot faster. I feel like it didn't feel like it was such a huge task. Like normally I get really stressed because I don't know where to start and stuff, but I think filming it just like really helped. So I hope you guys have a good night. Please like this video if you did, and subscribe if you want to. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.